Hey fam, peace and love. It's Zuria here. Welcome to day 3 of the gratitude challenge, guys. Like I mentioned today, we are talking health. Today we're pouring love into our health. We are being truly grateful for the health that we have because there is definitely no greater wealth than the health that we have. It truly is the most precious gift that the Almighty has bestowed upon you and I, and you don't want to take this for granted because without health, guys, we have nothing. You have nothing. So don't only think about it when you lose it because this is a habit. This is something that tends to happen. You don't want to first see that you're in the hospital and things are not going so well. The doctors are not giving you hope. They're not giving you very good news, and this is when you get to your knees and you're like, oh God, oh Allah, please help me out with this, please get me through this. I promise if you help me through this, I'll be a better person, I'll do all this, I'll learn to be more grateful. Start now, because this is literally the greatest gift of life, and you have this every day. So it's very important to pour lots of love daily for this seemingly free gift. Health is one of those things that many of us think is a given. Oh, I get to move around happily. I get to eat my food without a problem. I'm able to swallow. I'm literally able to excrete it out of my body. I'm able to hang out with my friends. I'm able to go on a walk. I'm able to drive. I'm able to all these things that you have on your body, your organs, your body parts, all the things that give you this health and help you do all these activities that you seemingly do very easily without any hassle, without any problem, without any issue at all. You have to learn to be grateful for that. Do not take that for granted. Because as you do all this stuff, as you are able to speak, there's someone who's not able to, right? There's someone who is literally, there's lots of people who do not have the gift of hearing. There's lots of people who are deaf. So you are special if you get to hear even what I'm saying today. You are special if you get to see this video today. You are special if you get the opportunity to be alive today, if you get to be able to write out your goals today, if you're able to write out your blessings for the day, if you're able to have a brain that reminds you to be grateful for all the beauty that you have in your life, a brain that allows you to work on your goals and your chores and all the things that you want to achieve in life. So you want to be grateful for your health every day. And remember, like attracts like. So if you are being grateful for your health, then this is exactly what you're attracting. You are attracting better health. You're attracting even greater health, right? So in order to be your best self and in order to continue to receive it every day, we have to learn to be more grateful. We have to learn to be grateful for everything to do with our health. Remember, this is the greatest wealth that you can ever have. It's not the money, because we know people who are rich, filthy rich, and they wish they could be around to enjoy this money. We know people who are filthy rich but have an issue with air and germs and stuff, and they have to stay indoors in glass houses and all these things. And guys, it's not just about the wealth. It's not just about the money. This is the greatest wealth that you can have. So you want to learn to be grateful for it, because it's truly magical that you get to have it, right? So we are using the health love practice to be able to attract better health, because choosing a healthy lifestyle is not enough. You have to learn to be grateful for your health in order to see it improve and to continue receiving great health, in order to be able to maintain it, right? You have to be grateful. Even being grateful for the fact that you are able to choose that healthy lifestyle, because not everyone is able to. We know very many people who are struggling with their health, who are struggling to live this healthy lifestyle. They want to, their mind wants to, their heart will just not be consistent and strong enough to go for it. So if you are blessed with great health, if you are blessed with the ability to be consistent, the ability to stick to a healthy lifestyle, then know that you're chosen. You're among the few who get to understand that it's important for you to put only healthy stuff in your body, to take care of your body, to take care of this vessel that allows you to do everything else that you have in your life, right? So today, you want to close your eyes and think about your body parts. Let's start with just the body parts. Is it your head? Is it your shoulders? You know, the head, shoulders, knees, and toes. Like, even just those, guys. Do you know how important it is for you to have shoulders? That joint there that gets your arms to move. Imagine if your hands were like stuck there at the shoulders, if that joint was not there. That would be tough. That would be really tough, right? So we are thinking all our body parts, be it the eyes, be it the nose, be it the mouth, be it the face, be it the tongue, be it your teeth. Just go down to the neck, right? Then the shoulders, then the arms, then the elbows, then the hands, then the palms, then the fingers, the joints in your fingers, the nails. Go to your body, just go to your torso, go to your back, your spine, your belly. All these things, if you just go one by one and truly think about what they're doing for you. Remember, you don't want to just say, I am grateful. It shouldn't be just blanket, I am grateful for my eyes. So what? What do these eyes do for you? Because when you know the reason why, then you're going to be able to easily put the emotion and the feeling that's necessary for you to be able to continue to attract this thing that you want to get, to continue to attract this thing that you have that you are grateful for, right? So we're thinking about these body parts and what they do. Then get into your organs and senses, how they help you, and then pour overflowing love into each and every one. Just pour overflowing love, genuine overflowing love. And the only way you're going to be able to pour all this love and put all the feeling and emotion behind it, the feeling and emotion that it actually needs for you to continue to attract it, is only and only by learning to be grateful and thinking about the reason why these things are important, why these parts of your body are important, why these organs are important, right? So feel grateful and say thank you. So for example, I am truly blessed to have a healthy heart. I am so grateful that my heart gets to pump blood to the rest of my organs, to all my veins and through my body. I do acknowledge that my heart is the most important organ in my body, for without it, I wouldn't be alive. I am so grateful that it helps the rest of my body to function right. So when you think about all these beautiful things that your heart does, there is no way that the feeling and the emotion of true gratitude will not come behind it, right? So as you close your eyes today and think about your body parts, just go one by one. Guys, today's practice is actually a long one today's practice is the one, that's why I wanted it to be way up, because it's going to show you all the wealth that you have in your life. Wealth is not always monetary. But even if we said wealth was monetary, what price tag are you going to put on your body parts? Okay, say you had to procure them. We know people who have to get heart transplants and all these organ transplants. What price tag do you put on that? right? How much money would you put on that? So translate that into cash and see how much wealth you have. And tell me that health is not the greatest wealth that we have in life. So feel truly grateful for your organs and your body parts. Do the same for all the other organs. Is it the lungs, the kidney, the skin? Do the same for your legs, your arms, your hands, your fingers, your torso, your bum bum, your thighs, your knees. Guys, be truly grateful. Think about your legs, guys. Just think about your legs. Your legs are able to hold your body up and help you move from point A to point Z without a lot of effort from you. Right? Why would you? Can you imagine? Do you see how small your legs are in comparison to like the rest of your body? And they get to hold your entire body up and they do not get tired. Guys, think about your neck. And the neck is something we tend to take for granted, guys. The head is one heavy body part. The head is heavy, guys. And for you to know that your head is actually heavy, just try putting a child over your chest. Just a child, a baby, right? Just let them lay on your chest and sleep on your chest for an hour. You'll feel like there was something really heavy there. And this is just a child. So just look at your neck and imagine that your neck holds your head up for 50, 60, 70 years without any issue, without any complaint, without you feeling any pain, and without effort from you. Guys, this is truly amazing, right? So if you think about it this way, you will learn to know the things that truly matter. You will learn that you are truly blessed to have all this stuff. Because we've seen people who have issues with their necks and they have to have a cast to be able to hold the neck in place to support their head because their neck cannot really take the weight anymore. And you're not grateful for yours? Well, you definitely want to change that, right? So today, be grateful for your health. And the practice for today is pouring love into 11 blessings today. Write out 11 things that you are truly grateful for and say thank you. Feel true gratitude after each and every blessing, right? Then start in the morning and throughout your day. Think about the different body parts and organs and pour love into them by being grateful for them and for their roles in your life. And at the end of the practice, say thank you for the gift of my life, right? And be sure to say these words throughout your day. Thank you, Allah, for the gift of my life. Thank you, God, for the gift of my life. And you can do this practice throughout the day because it's huge. It's like really, really huge. So you could say, I'm just starting from my head and then being grateful for my brain, for my mind, for my nose. If you just start with the head and then the neck and you go down all the way to your toes, it might take some good time. So you can do this throughout your day. Just know that when I did this, I stopped at the torso. So now we are going to the lower limbs and the other organs and the rest of the body and the veins. Like, just practice this throughout the day. And you'll see how you feel actually after practicing this, right? And then for today, I'm going to ask you to write out your schedule for tomorrow and plan all your items for tomorrow before you go to bed. Plan out your items and remember our final practice before you go to bed tonight with your beautiful palm over your heart. Think about the best thing that happened today and feel grateful for it. And say thank you for the best thing that happened today. Feel truly grateful for this amazing thing that happened today. Right? And then tomorrow we are creating daily love, That's why we started out with writing out our schedule for tomorrow today. I'm one of the firm believers in planning tomorrow today. I do it a lot. I write out my schedule before I go to bed. So it basically helps. I know at the back of my mind, my subconscious mind definitely wakes up with a plan. I know exactly what I have to do when my day starts. So it's important to plan tomorrow today. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Thank you for being here today. Peace and love from Zuria here. Bye-bye.